Hello friends, how you doing today? Welcome to my channel. This is Sherry. I'm here with day number 7 of my December daily. So guess what? I got a card in the mail today right here. Yay! So yeah, I have something to put in my December daily today. So this card, I'm not showing the address right now. Let me see. I want to show you the stamp at least. This is a cute, pretty stamp on here. And this is from Stephanie at GS Mueller Designs. She has a shop on Etsy. And so nice of her to send me a Christmas card. Thank you, Stephanie. And yeah, she has a shop where she sells beautiful fibers. So I had ordered some fiber, quite a few fiber packs from her shop, and used them in my tassels. And so, and I've used them all up. I just am not, I'm kind of slowed down on the tassel making, so I haven't ordered any more, but she has a beautiful tassel. She's always getting new fibers in there. And she even named a fiber bundle after my shop, because I, featured her in several of my videos. So that was so cool. She has one named, I think it's, is it Turquoise Dreaming or something like that. So, so cool, right? So anyway, I haven't opened it yet. I thought, let's do a little unboxing of a Christmas card here and see what we got. So, oh, this is so pretty. It's embossed. We've got a cute snowman here. I'm going to try to hold it in a way you can see the embossing, and beautiful snow falling and snowflakes here. Isn't that pretty? And let's see. Yes, she just said, thank you for your business and Merry Christmas and, a few other things. So thank you so much, Stephanie. That was so nice of you. So yeah, I had received another card, and you saw me put that one in the other day from Giselle, and her card is right, let me see, right here. She's with Paper and Glue, y'all. Such a cool name, right? So that was, let's see, we are on, like I said, 7. So here we go. Perfect spot for a card, right? The envelope, this one, I don't know if I'll save the whole envelope. I might just cut out the, what I'm going to do? I'm going to cut out the envelope, the stamp here. And it has a little Santa. You know how at Christmas time the post office does like Christmassy postmarks. So this is one I had. I don't know if I've seen this one. This is a Santa and a sleigh. I don't know if you saw that, but let me show you. Isn't it cute, the postmark? So cute, right? So let's put this card. Well, it's a white card, so I feel like I need a background, some kind of background. So I do have my scraps here. Let's see if we can find a pretty background to make this stand out. You know what I mean? Because see how it kind of just is blending there. This is coffee dyed paper. So, and I don't want to skip around. I want to go in order of the pages to keep my days in order. I just, I'm that type of person where I need things to be chronologically in order. This is pretty. So I could put that there, but I need something for over here with color. So I've got a lot of neutral scraps here. Let me see. This is pretty. That's just a little piece, but we could do just a collage background. I have this green from the music. Could put a piece of that. Let me see. I have this little piece of green too. Oh, here's a bigger piece of green. Okay. Maybe this and anything else here. Oh, here's some more of this red. And then here's another little piece of red. See how it pays off to save your little scraps, right? So let's see. This is pretty. I like this too. But I think these pieces will collage together on this, better on this page. Oh, here's another big piece of green. Bigger, not big, but bigger than those little pieces. But maybe I'll just use up all my little pieces on this page. So let's do that real quick and see what we can do. Here's all the pieces that I pulled out. Like I said before in my other days, if you've watched, I don't come in with a plan. Like I got this card and just going with it, you know what I mean? So after the video last night, I added this sticker right here. I didn't show you that. It's a little snow globe sticker with a snowman in it. So that was cute. I just wanted something over here, and so I put a sticker there. And then, so let's glue this down. Let me see. I think I'm going to go with, like I was trying to decide, move it up or move it down. I think I'm going to, I like these berries and stuff here, even though they'll be mostly covered up. I just want to, you know, I just want to keep that. I really like that, those colors. So let's tear this little piece off here. Add it to our scrap pile and get gluing this background here. Okay, so art glitter glue, where are you? Excuse me. I haven't coughed all day, so if I start coughing now, I'm not going to be happy. Okay. I always have a drink in here, though. You know, sometimes when you're talking a lot on videos, you're, you know, and maybe you're not used to talking a lot. Like I don't really talk that much at my work. I just, you know, kind of work at a computer, you know, so all day, and maybe walk around a little bit in my office and stuff, but not really where I have to do a lot of talking. So when I'm on YouTube, that's the most talking I do all day. So, you know, sometimes your throat gets a little dry, and I have a drink right here in case I need it. Okay, so there's one piece. Let's put this piece. I really like this red. These are all red and green, so I think these will all look nice behind the card and make it pop, you know, the white stand out on the colorful background. So I think that's neat. I want to show you a couple of the other pieces too I cut out for one of the days. Let's see, this is a 7 too. I have to look for a number. There's some more coverage. Maybe we'll stick with the red and green. I was thinking of putting that green on here, but let's use up all these little pieces here and see where we end up first before we go with any of the green. So that can go there. Here's another little piece of red and green. Let's put this down. Oh, I'm so glad I didn't throw these away, because this is a tiny piece. And sometimes I throw these little tiny pieces away, but I had a feeling I might need it. And this is from, what is this from? Oh, this is this from one of my little printables I'm trying to use up? Maybe it is. I think maybe it is. So it doesn't go all the way out to the edge. See how some of the paper's showing there? But let me see. I think, see, it looks good, doesn't it? But do I want to try to put something out right out to the edge? I really don't want to cover up. Let me tear this a little bit and just put a strip of this red out here on the edge. So I hope you're enjoying my kind of relaxed and kind of no plan kind of December daily. I'm enjoying it. I've really done this this is my 3rd year, and I've really done it the same way the last few years, and I never really stressed about it, because I always just, you know, figured out something to put down over each day. So I hope maybe, you know, my non-planning gives you some ideas too. Okay, so I have one more tiny strip right there. Maybe I will use a piece of green. Oh, wait a minute, here's another piece of red. Look at that. Perfect. I must have did I just put that over there, or was it just hanging out over there? I don't know. But anyway, I've got it now. I'm going to put it right here, right out to the edge. I just want as much color around the card as possible. Let's see, any more? Those are little pieces of green. Oh, here's another piece of red here. Look at that little tiny piece. We can put that right there and be done. All right, perfect. I used up all these little bits and scraps here. That's awesome. Okay, isn't that pretty Isn't that a pretty background though, with all the red and green? And it's all together. Okay, so now we can put this card down. It goes like this. The snowman is upright. So I'm just going to put I'm going to use some Fabri-Tac on here just because this is a very heavy cardstock and I want it to, you know, stick down. So let's see. This is going to flow for me. I hope everyone's having a good day. It's I had a good day and it was warm today. Well, I'm videotaping this on Monday night, so it was a warm day, 70 or 71 degrees here in North Carolina, which I'm loving. That's the perfect temperature, right? 70 degrees. And I could handle that all year round. Definitely. Okay, so I'm going to put it right here, right in the middle. I know I need room for a number, but I just want this in the middle. I don't care. And then I'll figure out my number. I haven't even looked for a number yet. No planning here, like I said. No planning. Oh, I need to put the stamp here too. Let's see where I'll put the stamp. This is the blue stamp. I gotta put this somewhere. Let's see. I might put the stamp down here, and then maybe my number up here. Let me grab my basket. Look for a number. See if I have a number 7. If I don't have a number in here, number 7, I'll have to look for one after the video and put it on either in tomorrow's video or just after the video, and I'll show you tomorrow. But let's see. All my numbers are right down in here. Here's a 3. I know I did this last night, but why would I pick out 2 numbers at a time? Be prepared. I am usually prepared, you guys know, but for this I'm just not preparing. I'm just going with it, with the flow. Okay, I'm seeing a 2. I'm seeing another 2. All right, let me get this stuff out of the way here. At least I have everything in this basket, so I don't have Christmas stuff all over my craft room like I did before I cleaned it up. Okay, 8, 2, 3, 5. I will find a 7 somewhere if I don't have one in here. I'll find one somewhere in my craft room or in my house. Even if I have to go cut the date out of a calendar, I will find a number 7, believe me. I always do. I have some red numbers too. You know what? I have some red numbers in my shop that they're very vintage and they're from a store, like old like price numbers that they used to put on shelves and things. So if I don't find a 7 right here, I keep meaning to go look at those. I'll just pull one out of there, out of those numbers, because I think there's a lot of red ones and they're very cool. So yeah, I'm not seeing one. I'm not seeing number 7 in here. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go look in there after the video and I'll show you what I find tomorrow. But yeah, if you need some cool vintage numbers, there is a listing in my shop with some, I don't know what I called it, numbers, price tag numbers or something. Okay, let's go ahead and put this down. This could be a little drilling spot too. That's why one reason when I cut the postage stamps out of the mail at work, I do cut a big piece like that, just right out of the corner, so that something like that you can use for a drilling spot. So let's see, I want to be able to open this card. So let's put it like right, well, turn it around, put it like right here. That would be cool, like a little tab. Maybe right in the middle. Yeah, I think I'll put it in the middle so it looks like a little tab up there. So for this, I'm just going to use some, this is just, paper. So a little art glitter glue. So this will be a pretty quick one today. And I want to show you these 2 pieces I cut out of the rest of my creamer packaging, my coffee creamer packaging. I had that other piece from the other side of the bottle that I didn't put in here the other night or the other day. There we go. Isn't that cute? So if I want to write anything, like I can say something about Stephanie, and she named a fiber bundle after me, my shop, I mean. And so yeah, see now, isn't that cute? Got the stamp, got the card. I'll put the number. Let's see, I'll put the number somewhere. Might have to put it on the card or overlap the card and make it hang off the card. We'll see, because those numbers are about 1.5 inches, something like that. So here's what I cut. I didn't want to, this is my favorite part, and I didn't put it in because I use that other piece. But I cut this from the creamer packaging, you know, the wrap, that plastic wrap. In case you didn't see that video, it's the wrap around the creamer bottle. So I cut this elf, and I cut these 2 Christmas trees. This one just has gifts underneath, and this one has Santa and a chair, like Santa's chair and a Christmas tree. So I'll be putting these somewhere in here as a decoration because I think they're super cute. And they glued down just fine with some Fabri-Tac the other day. So yeah, I'm excited about that. They're super cute. They look like little, almost like old, well, they don't look old because they're glossy, but they almost look like Christmas seals, you know. So, okay, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the card, Snowman. And I'll look for a number and let you know what I find out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Happy crafting.